Guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, we're going to be making a little home sign for my home. So I'm showing you here, I have these leftover woods from previous project, and I have some wood stain that I have left over as well from previous projects, and I'm just going to use that to make the sign. Now keep in mind, this is an old video. It's been a year since I have this video and I haven't got a chance to upload it. So measurements, I can't remember off the top of my head, and I've lost some of the clips for this video, so I'm just doing what I have here. If you guys are wondering how I'm doing, if you're not new, I am hanging in there. My foot been broke for over a month and I'm still in a boot. I went to the doctors a couple days ago, and all they did was giving me a new boot, and it's possible that I'm gonna have surgery. I'm gonna have to have surgery. It's a possibility on my busted foot. If you ask me how I'm doing, it's frustrating because I can't do anything I want to do. This is my first real post for the month of August. I've been trying to like keep you guys in tune with small like what you call it, reels and stuff, and thank you guys for liking those and participating in me. And if you guys are wondering, there goes Fiona, she's the chairman walking in the background. So no, I haven't started decorating for fall. This is just an old video that I'm using with leftover stuff to make signs, like home sign, number sign for my home. So here I am. What I did, I have these are weather treated pine. Yep, they're weather treated pine that left over. If you guys remember last year, I built a wishing well, I built a bar, and I did a garbage can disclosure. If you guys want to check those videos out, I'm going to be having them listed in the iCard above and in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, so these are leftover wood. So guys, if you like to do DIY project and stuff like that, and you have any little piece of scrap, don't throw them away. I'm a little hoarder for any pieces of scrap because I'm a DIYer, so of course I'm gonna find something to do with it. So I do have a lot of videos that I need to upload, but one of the things is I'm running out of space, and I don't want to use the word depressing. I just don't want to upload. I just feel a little down. I'm feeling a little down, if you ask me. Not depressed, but I'm a little down with, just everything that's going on with my feet or my foot, and being single out here and have to do it all for myself. It gets a little hard because can't cut my yard. And I know somebody's gonna say, why don't you get somebody to do it? They don't do it like I do. All right, but yeah, can't do anything. It's not just cutting the yard. It's just that you really can't do anything. Every now and then I'll go up to the garden, and because my landscape is straight, if you're not new here, you know that. So it puts a little bit of pain on the foot when you go to the garden. Today I went and harvested some stuff. So yeah. So anyways, enough of that. We're talking about this. I don't have much to really say about the measurement and everything that I'm doing here because, again, like I said, scrap wood. But what I did, I will say, is after finding all these scrap wood, I did use my miter saw and measure down, which I don't remember the measurement. If you guys want measurement and ask me in the comment section, I definitely can measure the sign because it's been up for a year on the outside of my home and it's doing really well. So yes, I can do that if you guys are interested in measurement. Keep in mind, my measurement, if you're interested in making this, may not work for you because where I put this, and again, for the scrap. So it depends on your space and what you're trying to do. So I have these little small piece of wood left over. Again, if you guys remember how I made that privacy wall in the back of my yard, if you're not new, those are also leftover pieces from the privacy wall. So I'm also going to link the privacy wall in the description box below. So if you guys are interested in looking at that privacy wall, in case you have not been here before, so you could see what that looks like, and people are loving it, and it's still standing strong. It's been 2 years going strong. I don't even know why I'm bending and pushing all my life on this drill. Like, look at it. Look. If you guys are not new, you guys know I know how to use a drill, and I don't know. I'm just looking at this video while I'm doing this, and I'm like, wait, why I'm just standing there bending like a little old lady and acting like it's the hardest thing I've ever done in life to drill a small pieces of wood when I've drilled like thousands of big pieces of wood. And if you guys notice as well, I'm not even standing straight. This is why my back hurts. I'm bending, and don't come for me with my shirt. If you're not new here, you guys know it's like one of my favorite shirts. I have a few shirts that are like my favorite shirts, not because of the saying or anything, but because it's big, so it's comfortable. And you out here doing all these things, man, I just want to be free. You know what I'm saying? I'm not up here to look pretty or to promote anything. This is an old shirt. I don't even know where I got it from. I don't even know where I got that shirt from. Probably found it in a dumpster. I don't know. But anyways, enough of all of that. Let's get back into the video. So now we're done. As you guys can see, I just used 2 pieces of those wood to secure all 3 pieces of those wood together. And now I'm going to be staining the wood. So here I'm using a pre-wood conditioner stain before I stain the wood. And this is just from experience, also from doing a lot of staining the wood. I also make wood sign. So over time, I realized that when you use the pre-condition, where I'm doing right now, I'm doing a pre-conditioning of the wood. It kind of like just give you a different grain. I don't want to say grain because the wood grain will remain, but it pops the wood grain more and protect the wood a little bit more with the stain when you put the stain on. Wood that you put the pre-conditioner on versus just the stain, it's a different look. If you guys are interested in seeing that, I can make a video with just a small pieces of wood. That's something easy I can make with a busted foot to show you guys the difference between a pre-conditioner wood and just a wood that you apply stain to. So that's all I'm doing. And I'm just using a piece of cotton cloth to just wipe that along. And this sign is going outside, so nothing perfect, but I'm a perfectionist. So of course we got to make it look nice. You see how nice and slow I'm going ahead and wiping it across. Okay. So yeah, if it's your first time here, my name is Shayna. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. If it's not your first time here, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. You guys were still here for me. I couldn't have done it. I couldn't have gotten this far without you guys. And for those people who look forward to see my video, just in case you don't know what's going on, your girl have a busted foot. Okay, I have a broken foot. A couple bone, not just one part of my foot is broken, but a couple part. But you see what the wood look like after I finish doing the pre-condition? You see that it kind of pops it. It gives that, I don't know, it kind of give it that little sheen, but it's not like shine. I don't know. But yeah, so that's what's going on over here. I don't know why I'm smelling that gloves. Don't ask me. I just do weird stuff, okay? And I keep the video real. I'm not gonna pretty up anything. I ain't gonna nice up anything. And if you're not new here, you know. People who have been here for a while, they know that's Shayna. We love it like that or we don't. Okay? So that's that. So now I'm going ahead and I'm applying the stain. And if you guys are interested in knowing what color stain is this, it's called dark walnut. Okay, it's min wax stain in the color of dark walnut. I repeat, min wax stain, color dark walnut. So please do not ask me what color stain. I know I have an accent, but I'm gonna say it nicely and slowly in English. It's min wax stain, color dark walnut. I'm also going to have that in the description box below in case you guys are wondering or you want to know what color stain is this, okay? And also, if you want to know the measurement of my sign, you could type into the comment section. I still have this sign. It's doing well outside. It make it through a whole winter and it's still doing great. So I can measure that and answer you in the comment section. So don't be shy to type a comment in the comment section, because guess what? I love hearing from you guys. Okay, and since I'm a little sad that I can't do anything, maybe you guys could keep my company in that comment section. Okay, I think I was just really tired doing this thing. I think it was last year around fall. If you guys see, I have my fall decor going on in the back. So it must have been somewhere around there where I just overwork and tired, and I don't stand straight. Look at me, standing bending. Okay, so that's what's going on over here. And how I decided to make this sign, I order a sign from Temu. Guys, if you order stuff from Temu, you gotta be careful. You gotta read the description, because sometimes you think you're ordering a big thing. They didn't send you a little small little thing. So I'd order a sign that I have my initial on it, S, and it says welcome. And the sign came and it was a little teeny metal sign. So that's how I ended up make this wood sign. And what I'm gonna do, I lost that clip of the video. If you keep watching, I'm going to add that little round sign to this and with my home number, so people can't find where I live at, because the way how my house is set on the property, people constantly drive past my house because there's no number sign. Okay, no number sign. So this is what the wood look like. We're gonna leave it to dry, And once it dry, we're gonna get to the next step, which I do not have, but it's 1 2 3 ABC. That's my small little sign that I got from Temu. So it's in the center, and I use my little screws and I screw that on, and then I'm 111. That's my address, 111. So I have these little numbers that I got from, I think, Walmart, in the little section. You know what? If you guys are not new, you guys know about my old neighbor. These, I'm lying. These are not for, you could get them at Walmart, but she got those for me. I think she got them at one of those state sale, one of those state sales. She always gets stuff from me when she goes to those state sale or garage sale. She always grabs stuff from me. So I put it right on my garage in between these two windows, okay? And it looked absolutely gorgeous. So I have a longer driveway, so whenever anybody comes up the driveway, they could see 111, but you have to come like up the driveway. But I also, if you guys remember, make another sign that's pretty bright to put down at the main entrance. So if you guys are still here with me, it's obvious that you like what you see here. Are you happy to hear from me? So don't forget, before you leave, to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and type me a comment in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. Also, go ahead and share this video out with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out. Now remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.